Hello everyone, welcome back to Alexis. I'm your host Alfredo, and as you can see, I'm wearing my Kings jersey, and today is a video I'm very excited about because I finally got me a new Kings jersey. So this one, I haven't worn it at all in a lot either because, you know, the patches, they're not put on correctly, and I got this one autographed by a lot of Kings players, so I'm going to have this jersey framed up soon. So for now, got a package from eBay. This package, it came from Florida, and it came here within like less than a week, so I'm pretty excited to open this up. But before I open it up too, let me just say too, so this was my first and only King jersey I've ever had, my first and only hockey jersey I've ever had, other than the ones I've worn for games, of course. This one, I got this back in the 2016-2017 season for Christmas by my dad. It didn't have the shoulder patches, so we got the shoulder patches to go with it. As you can see, the 50th anniversary patch there too, the 100 patch, and the All-Star patch. So this one is pretty old too. It was very big when I got it too. I was like maybe 15 at the time. No, I was like 14 at the time actually. Yeah, I think I was like 14. I'm 21 now. My birthday actually just passed on the 20th of June. So this one fits me a lot better now, but now I have this one, right? Rip this baby open. Hopefully I don't rip. Hopefully I don't rip the jersey. Alright, I'm gonna take this one off for now. So I can put this one on. I see purple in there. Oh boy. Oh baby. Woo! Dang. That is amazing. This is one of my all-time favorite Kings jerseys, and I've been wanting this one for such a long time, and I finally have it here in my possession. Holy crap. This is actually my all-time favorite Kings logo. The coat of arms is one of my all-time favorite Kings logos. This one is a men's large, so it'll fit better. This is actually, I think, the first jersey, King jersey, that had like laces on there, so that's pretty neat. And I'm pretty cool how this one came with laces, even if it wouldn't be that hard to buy like shoelaces and just put it on like that. So let's try it on. All right. Oh wow. How about that? This looks amazing. And it has like the silver sparkle on there too, on the striping and the logo. Man, this is really cool. Holy crap. Man, this is amazing. This is now just my second Kings jersey ever. I'm gonna frame the other one at some point, my Kopitar jersey. So that one is just my prize position, so that one's gonna go up on the frame. So this is just a quick little unboxing video, or in this case, I'm packaging because it's in a bag, not a box. But yeah, that is super cool. The quality of the jersey, this feels kind of a little itchy, but you know what? I can get used to this. This is so nice. This is super cool. Anyways, thank you all so much for watching this quick little video. I just wanted to do an unboxing. I wanted to do this for a while, and I've been really wanting this jersey for a while too, so please subscribe, like, and I'll see you all